Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add fonts to Pixlr. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Pixlr website right here, pixlr.com if you haven't already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can get started logging into your account. So here in the upper right corner, we have the login button that you can use. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one. And after logging in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here. And now we can get started opening up the AI photo editor. So let's go ahead and see how to add fonts to our images. So let's go ahead and open up the photo editor right here. That's going to open up this new page where we can get started opening up the image that we want to edit. So you can click the open image button. That's going to enable us to open up the image. I already have my image right here, and now let's go and see how to add text and add fonts to our image. Basically guys, as you can see right here on the left side screen, we can see the toolbar with all the options we can access, such as arrange, we have the crop option, cutout, and so on. So what we want to do is to be able to add fonts is this option right here, which is the text option. So we can get started with adding our text. So as you can see, now we can get started with adding our text, which is going to be default text, or here we can see all the fonts and effects we can use for our text. So here are a lot of options that you can use. As you can see, we can get started with adding the fonts to our image and then adding the text and saying what we want you to say. As you can see, here is how it's going to look, and you can now get started with adding your effects right here and new fonts. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.